Hey guys, RTT back here for the video guys. Today we actually have a interesting leak here. This is actually coming in from Ice Universe, who is a popular leaker on Twitter. And this is actually some screen protectors of the brand new Oppo Find N3 that have been leaked. Now of course the Find N3 is going to be rebranded as the Oneplus Open. So this is pretty much the Oneplus Open as well. And you can see this is what the outside display is going to look like. Now, based on what we have heard and understood, this is exactly what we kind of expect. It's a 20:9 ratio. Not really the, size or the dimensions of this phone, which is the Google Pixel Fold, but more or less it's going to resemble a more wider version of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is this phone right here. So it's a little bit more wider version. Now, of course, that's, again, very much similar to what the Oppo Find N2 looks like. So, again, like I said, kind of exactly, lining up to what we expected. And again, I think this is kind of more or less a happy medium for a lot of people. It's not exactly the candy bar cell phone S type of look, but it's very, very similar. Now, of course, again, like I said before, this is just a screen protector that has been leaked. So, not really, too much when it comes to, too much details and information. But this, of course, is the inside screen here. And we do have a little bit of a camera cutout in the right-hand corner. And go ahead and keep in mind, guys, we're going to be getting this phone sometime soon. Yes, that's that's the question that statement we keep being told here about the OnePlus Open. So I want to see soon. I want to see it like very, very soon at this point, especially with holiday season right around the corner. I mean, we gotta get this phone, right? We gotta get this phone out here and really see this competition start to go when it comes to Samsung. Obviously Microsoft's out of it, but Samsung, Google, and OnePlus now, right? But again, like I said, at the end of the day, there are stipulations on why this phone has been delayed, them changing manufacturers with the screens. Also, of course, the issues with, Oppo and another company when it comes to lawsuits. So there are some things that are being kind of delayed for that reason. But at the same time, though, I'm also kind of on the fence about ever pushing a company to release a phone. Because listen, at the end of the day, Microsoft, they released the phone after a lot of delays, and we were very excited about it. But we kind of was as a community was like, hey, come on, just release it. We want this phone. We're excited about it, and it was not 100% ready. So for the most part, I'm always kind of hesitant. The good thing about the OnePlus Open is it's just a rebranded version. So, again, this is a rebranded third-gen phone. So it's not like it's a brand new, right out of the box, first time ever design. No, this is a rebranded version. So, hopefully everything gets kind of, done correctly. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.